and then we do that stuff. Be more
What's that?
difficult.
No.
No.
You don't want to do that.
Yeah.
You don't want to fucking break it now.
No, I won't break.
You will break it. You will.
God, I'm nervous. Why? I don't know. But I am. I really want the bike to go, you know, as I'm hoping it would go. Because, yeah, there's been a lot of work. Plus, again, every time Mrs. sees that, she's like, well, it was a very nice bike. And, yeah, it's true, you know. I did kind of ruin a perfectly good bike. And if I did ruin it, or improved it actually, at the cost of the way it looks like, it remains to be seen. Yeah, so very, very anxious. Plus, I'm really pleased I'm back here. This is an awesome place with Lee. I brag about this so many times, but I have to do it because it's an awesome place. He's an awesome teacher. I really like it. You know, he tricks me so many times. This is easy. I already know when he says that, he means the complete opposite. But it makes you do it anyway, and then by the end of the day, it actually is easy. You know, I'm not organized today at all. I'm just gonna have to put this stuff everywhere. There you go, testing the bike. Weather is nice. Oli is having a go because he likes it. We're gonna see today if it was worth it or not. What do you think?
Nice. That is very nice. That I don't like.
It's some. Yeah, I know. I know.
My foot.
I need to modify it. Was worth it? What do you think?
Yeah, that's nice. I could do a lot of that. Yeah.
Well, I'm really nervous because all this work, I want to see if it was worth it or not.
Lovely. Lot more power in it now.
It's actually your fault. That's why I put it on the camera. It's your fault. Because you told me I can't become poor tires because my leg's too short. So I shrink the bike. Look the skills. If you don't, that's what happens. You can awesome bike and you can't ride for shit like me. And yeah. So we're taking it very steady now, just so I can warm up, you know, and get back to it, because I'm very rusty. Okay, not being on the bike is a bitch. The bike is so much better, but I'm so much worse. But 10-year-old could ride faster than me right now. But hey,
How you feeling?
still stiff. Not being on back for a long time is the worst thing you can do to yourself.
Yeah.
But everything is itchy and I'm over the balance most of the time. It's like,
So what I suggest we do?
we have to get back in my head again.
Yeah, but go for a ride. You know the top of the mountain where they're all nice and fast and flowing. Oh, it's so small.
A little small. Oh, she sounds so good. Would you just listen to that thing? That exhaust is something else. Don't get me wrong, this is not the usual my riding. I'm very, very rusty and squeaky. My knees are squeaky, my hands already hurts. I can barely stay in balance. It is what it is. This is what happens when you don't ride for some time. It's been months. Last time I rode it was the last time on the Baja Championship round. It was October, I think. So yeah, because the bike is new, No, excuses. No, but the bike feels good, but I'm just not able to concentrate on the bike performance, just trying to stay alive, and one piece not falling off. Got slimy over there, is very, very slippery. What is it? It's gonna come rough from there, I think. He's liking it. You liking it? Was it worth it to ruin a beautiful bike?
Yeah, fucking hell, it's lovely.
Yeah? Good.
The front end is so nice on it.
It's very nimble, is it?
Oh, fuck me.
Yeah. It's, I don't know, what I've noticed, well, I'm trying to stay alive now, but it seems like she's more prompt to correct when you do something wrong.
Yeah, fuck me, it's nice to nice. Seriously, it's lovely. Feels like a big motocross bike.
Okay. That's good. Everything looks flat on the camera, but again, this is up the hill. It's not extreme, not very steep, but it is up the hill. You know what? Let's do that slippery bullshit. That's the shit I really hate. Roots, there's some shit out roots, ruts or roots, whatever you call them. Two different things. Ruts and roots apparently. I have no distinction. I just know how they look like, and I'm scared shitless because usually I always end up hugging them. So let's take it very slow because this is getting very sketchy. There it is. It's slippery. It's not that fast. There, right? Where? I knew he's gonna go.
Now, this is where I think you falter because you want to try hard things.
Yeah.
Where this is where it goes wrong.
I know. Where exactly does it go wrong? I mean, I'm which.
There you got to go up there and turn left.
Up here.
Yeah.
Where from? From there or from here?
Let's go around.
Hey, what's this about? Oh, she's so good.
Well,
Oh, she climbs so nice.
so we go down, have a cup about 5 minutes, and then you can do this circuit.
Alright,
And I'll meet you different places to see what
and then we do that stuff. Be more
what's up.
difficult.
No,
No,
you don't want to do that.
Yeah.
You don't want to fucking break it now.
I won't break.
You will break it.
No.
You will. And if you break it, then you got more money to spend on it.
Just telling you be more difficult.
Huh?
Just telling you be more difficult.
I
Try to
will
put
find
on
it a
it.
bit more, but
I know.
you're not here for that. The rallies are not what you want to do.
I know, but you know me. I wanna.
When you done the rally, you came back and you was happy. You was really enjoying it.
Yeah, but you know the real reason of all of these. I need to challenge Pultaris.
Fuck Paul Paris. But you need to think about this is the harder you'll ever do on a rally.
Oh yeah, I know,
You know?
but I do enjoy that stuff.
Yeah, I know you do, but I'm trying to get you in the position that you're happy in what you're doing and you can push on that a little bit more.
Yeah.
You know?
Right.
Learn to do something that, don't look down there, it's not going down there. You are going to fuck it up and then you'll be spending more thousands on it again.
I know, but
Learn by my mistake.
nice jump. Should we jump that one too? Ah, it's beautiful. She is definitely worth it. Starting to feel a difference now. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Lovely thing.
That bit we done now and we jumped up over the log. I'll get some pictures of you jumping
Yeah,
up it.
that was nice because you
Yeah.
do the ride. You just went nice.
Yeah. I got it.
Ah, I see, you want to make me sweat today. Good.
This one.
This one here?
Yeah.
Right, let's go have a look. With this stuff. So, huck. Okay.
So you got two. The one you were on there, nice and easy. Nice power delivery from here. Not there.
Yeah, keep.
Here.
So here you just keep the momentum.
Yeah, momentum. This one, same, but you have to come out and your momentum's here. A little bit earlier.
Alright. That was not what I wanted. What are you doing? What are you doing? Making difficult stuff easy and easy stuff difficult.
Take your time, chill out.
That's good. Alright, I got it now.
Easy.
Yeah, easy. I got it now. I'll do one more just to settle it now. Right, can you?
No.
You're saying that just...
You won't do it. There's no way. You won't get the grip.
No, but it's me or is the big bike cannot
It's the
do it?
big bike.
It's a big bike, okay.
Yeah, Paul Taris, yeah, but fuck me.
Well, then you fucked it up now, right?
You know Paul Taris. You gotta get that out of your head.
I need to put a
You
sticker
wanna stop
here.
watching his fucking...
You got to put the sticker here. You know, put warning. You know him.
Yeah. Keep away.
No matter how much you shrink
No
the bike.
entry. Keep away.
Jesus Christ, this looks nasty. It's easy. You want to just sit down now, yeah?
You're supposed to sit down on that one.
Oh, this one?
Yes, I said sit down.
Oh, no, I thought do it, kill the engine.
Stand up.
Okay.
Well, you've done it, so... And again.
Sitting up, sitting down?
Standing.
Standing.
You've already done standing, so...
Oh, so sitting is more difficult?
No, sitting is learning you the drop, and you
Oh.
have control. Then we're going to go and do it now, after this one, standing up with the engine on.
Okay. So what you say, man, a natural?
Again. Perfect.
Really getting tired with the clutch.
We go
now.
down for lunch?
Yeah, my hands needs resting. Now I need to improve my physique.
Yeah.
How easy was that? I thought that was difficult. Shit. Sometimes it's like what you see is not what it is.
No. And you got to look at it like that. It's not that hard. I've just got a power delivery into it. You're looking at that.
Yeah.
We'll come back and do it.
Ah, that's what I want to hear. That one is looking nice.
Slippery.
Yeah, I can bend with this. This mixed with the rocks.
Your best line?
I think it's actually
Here.
made on the right.
No, right.
Yeah.
On the right, so you go to the left. There's a rock there, slippery rock.
Now one day you want to keep it on the left, right?
Yeah, so you want to come in tight. Get your power delivery here.
And stay there.
Stay to the left.
How about that log over there? You want to stay on
stay
there?
to the left.
You stay all the way to the left?
Yeah.
Right, let's fucking do it.
Okay.
That one. I thought you said it was difficult.
It is.
No, it's not.
Not for you.
Oh shit. Hell, honestly, the bike fucking massive traction. Not even a clutch out there, just
Yeah.
This bike really climbs, and trust me when I say this is not me. I have no skills, or very little. She does all the work. That front brake is also, it's really good.
Good.
Completely wrong lane. I was like, you know what? Let me try the slippery
But
section.
now I can see you starting to work the body.
Just let her work.
Yeah.
And it goes. What a machine. I like it now. This is good. You want to try going on this?
I ride a bike 6 days a week.
I know, yeah, fuck me, yeah. I'm hungry over this stuff, not you.
Yeah,
What was the fuss about?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I was on the limit.
Half 5.
She was there. Was no picking up any speed.
Here, it goes up and it gets technical, really technical, really technical. One rut, stones, tree roots.
Technical up the hill.
Yeah.
Technical up the hill means like if I stop, won't be able to restart.
No.
That's steep. Almost there. Almost. Right. Now. Yeah. It's gonna be from the tank. This is a good test for the fuel tank actually. Hit my wrist. She's actually hit the worst part. can see the rock on the bracket for the exhaust. This is a good test for it. I'm not happy to have tested it this way, but it just happened, you know. Let me see. Actually didn't bend. Or maybe a little. Yeah, good. Oh. Ooh, I broke the carbon bracket. Has snapped. Okay. Fuel tank is good. Right. You stay, yeah?
As you started going and as you started climbing, you started doing this with the throttle instead of. You would.
That's the sound I made.
But excellent effort.
Oh fuck! That's a dodgy situation. There you go. There you go. Woo! What a save! Yeah, my helmet is sweating. Look at it.
Yeah.
Whew.
I
did give it all my.
Yeah, I know you.
All I had, I did give it.
Go and have a drink.
And I think that was no bullshitting you. I know fucking pull tires, we have that in no time.
Yeah, but the tyre's different, everything's different.
But I really think the bike was almost on the limit there.
Yeah.
Still, fucking impressive limit.
Yeah. You
This-
enjoyed that, didn't you?
Yes. Yes, this one, yes. Not the first time, the second time. The first time I knew I could have done it better.
Yeah.
You said what I should do.
Yeah.
I've done it the second time when halfway through, that was it. It was just no going. I just want to enjoy this nature
Okay.
for a minute. Fuck, I'm sweating like a pig.